Hello everybody, just wanted to do an update on the baby Dracaras. So, this guy here is one of the babies that we separated from the parent plant's pot, and in doing so we actually broke the root off. There was still a little bit of the white root still on the base of him, so we put them in the substrate or in the sphagnum moss anyways, buried a pair of the leaves, so that way hopefully they'll grow from those leaves and keep them alive. This is the second baby Dracera that we separated, and we did that about 4 or 5 days ago. So these guys, for not having their roots, are not looking too shabby. So those are the two there, and those are baby Capensis, or yeah, I think I'm pretty sure Capensis, just there, Capensis. These guys have got a couple different plants in there. So there's the leaf cuttings that we were doing, and that's the Dracera albina. There's 3 of them in there. And then these guys, parent plant, spread its seeds to this pot. And I got 2 baby binatas coming up. So I got 5 plants in a little 2-inch pot there. Those guys are going to need to grow for about another month or so and then be separated. That's going to be a fun video. Lots to do on that one. Look at this gorgeous Dracera. That is, I believe this one's albino. That's gonna be just a cape dew. Regular green and red sundew. That's from leaf cutting. There's about 4 or 5 baby spatulatas in here. And these guys are from seed. And those are probably about 4 or 5 months old. This is a parent spatulata. He needs a bit more dew, which means he probably needs some. Well, he's getting plenty of light, so he probably needs some food. And this plant right here, I don't know what that is. I accidentally grew one thinking it was long fibrous sphagnum moss, because I'm still learning about it, the moss. And it grew out of the long fibrous sphagnum moss, just like that one did. I didn't plant it or nothing. The seed or something, the seed must have came along inside the sphagnum moss. And for the first one that I got, he's actually up there in a terrarium, because he does look kind of cool. I mean, I think I'll call it swamp corn from now, for now, because looks like an ear of corn almost, or a stalk of corn almost. So it's probably in the grass family. It's probably some kind of grass. Anywho, this is my second parent spatulata, There's some moss growing in there with I think that's star moss. And this guy needs probably some food there too. Got some maxi I can give these guys. Liquid maxi. It's like soup for the plants, where bugs are steak. And then my third parent plant for the spatulata. I want to have 3 parent plants of a species before I start separating out babies for giving away and selling and whatnot. And so, just don't have any spatulatas growing right now except for these babies, or the babies there. These parent plants, I might take some cuttings off of here soon and start getting some spatulatas coming in. Now, I'm not sure if the spatulatas are subtropical or tropical, but they might be going through dormancy right now, since you can see those baby sundees are the ones that are recovering. These baby sundees here, that binata is definitely a tropical, and he's got dew all over him. You can see little droplets on the tendrils. And pretty sure Capensis are subtropical. He's got some dew on him. Oh, that's right. I do have another baby coming up here. Not exactly sure how that one got in there. Might be a leaf cutting. So I removed one that wasn't doing so good before in it. And in doing so, I seen that one. So I'm pretty sure it's from leaf cutting, just part of the leaf was still in there. This is baby Regia. These guys are super temperamental. You can see it what's going on there. You can see it's been alive and well before, died down, back alive and well, and now there's some more stuff on the tip of that leaf there. But there's 2 of them in there. And we're gonna keep taking care of them and see what happens. Should be pretty cool. That plant is supposed to be the biggest Drosera, or one of the biggest Droseras. Drosera regia, the king dew. And look at all that moss growing in on it. That's beautiful moss. The Nepenthes. Look at that picture. And that guy's getting a new picture. It's behind the fountain over there. And there's the binata, parent plant. That's a red Cape Dew, red sundew. It's gonna be completely red once it gets enough light. And then the one in the middle here, right by that one. Oh. He's just the albino capensis, or the Cape Dew as I like to call it. And then that gorgeous one behind there is my albino capensis. One of my favorite plants. That thing is really pretty. And loves to send up flower stalks. Some moss in the fountain. The Venus flytrap's doing alright in there. Then up top we have baby sundews. Hopefully they'll grow in and I can treat them like parent plants too. And I'm not exactly sure what that pretty tall plant is back there, but I'm gonna let that grow because I like the look of it. These are baby Venus flytraps in there that we separated from the parent rhizome. My little Zen garden. Work in progress, but I think I like it how I can keep changing it, so I don't think I'm going to make anything permanent on that. And the lime tree's still down there. I think it's still fighting, I'm not sure. I'm going to give it till spring though. The spray bottle's in the way. Sorry about that. And the guanabana is doing alright. His leaves got all rusty like that. Moved him down here in the corner and gave him some designated light. And look at that beautiful growth. This is a tropical tree growing a tropical fruit called guanabana or soursop. I went on a search looking for sour foods one time, found soursop, bought one of the drinks that I could, tasted really good, so I was like, let's grow the plant. Strawberries, rosemary, and sage. And then I have a baby albino up in that terrarium, along with some fern moss growing up in there. This is a plant that I'm learning about right here. It's called soldier lichen. Or British redcoat lichen. So some people call it a moss, but I guess it is a lichen. Which is not semantics. There's different things involved there. I guess it's all semantics. Everything you say is. Anywho, just wanted to give the update on the babies. We'll get y'all later.